Hey friends, I'm here with my November large subscription box from A House of Books. I'm going to unbox this, but before you see what's inside, I just want to let you know that A House of Books is having an amazing Black Friday sale. However, you have to be on their email list in order to get the details. I'll have that link and more information in the description box below. All of the large subscription kits come in these handmade fabric little pouches that are tied with a really long ribbon. I've been able to use this ribbon in several different projects. I haven't used the fabric envelopes yet. If you have an idea of how I could use these, let me know below. I don't use a lot of fabric in my work, but I'm open to trying to figure it out. So let's get into the unboxing. Each month the large box comes with like a handmade item. And this month, the handmade item is actually some stickers that A House of Books is now starting to carry. So these are actual vintage ephemera and vintage items that they've scanned and made stickers with. They're matte and kind of see-through, and they're going to be really fun to use on my journal pages. They have florals and some other things, so be sure to check out the website. You can use the code Nicole to get 5% off those. You just saw a little envelope or a bag of fabric and a bag of book spines, and every kit also comes with this little information card that lets you know what's inside and what the exclusive handmade item is each month. Alright, I'm starting out with probably my favorite envelope to open up each month. This envelope always contains one-of-a-kind items like cards, letters, different like receipts, handwritten items. Oh my gosh, and I love the handwriting on this envelope. Next are some playing cards, some other exclusive like one-of-a-kind items, another letter, and this handwriting is also amazing. I can't decide if I'm going to cut it up and use it or scan it first. Sometimes I like to scan the items so I can use them multiple times. I also like some of these vintage playing cards. I'm going to use them for some like color palette inspiration for sure. There's usually some like postcards or some other kind of, again, one-of-a-kind items. I love seeing what's in this envelope. It's probably my favorite one to open each month. This month I also got a complete book cover. I'm going to have to start learning how to make some junk journals with these. I'm looking forward to that. And I also got a full book as well, and this one is perfect for me. I really enjoy adding florals and nature to my grungy journal pages, so I'm trying to decide if I'm going to cut this up or actually maybe use it for a journal in itself. I'm putting that to the side to think about it. Now I'm opening up some more of the packages. This one has a lot of book text. They're little pieces or chunks or parts of books that are ripped apart and shared amongst the subscribers each month. And this envelope, I love this one. This is going to be fun to use. I love the library pocket card there. This always has a large number of different types of books, from different fonts to different sizes to different colors. I also love this envelope because I can always find different pages to use for projects like this one. That blue picture is amazing. Lots of these books also have pictures or illustrations in them that are fun to pull out to use in your art journaling. Sometimes there's also charts or graphics or dictionary pages, and this envelope is always so much fun to open as well. My next envelope has, a bunch of larger pages in. This one usually has dictionary pages, encyclopedia pages, song pages, larger book pages, just like that other envelope, but there tends to be some other specialty items in here as well. I'm starting to use these pages a lot for like my cleanup pages and in between my pages as I create, and I get some amazing marks on them, and I'm able to use them as ephemera in future journal projects. Now there's a loose pile of like more specialty pages. Oh, I'm loving these botanicals. I can't wait to use them. There's some maps and other information, and also lots of black and white images. I actually asked House of Books owner Amber not to include a lot of the colored magazine images in mine this month. If you have a special project in mind, or something you're working on, or like a type of ephemera you need more of that you just like have used all up and are missing in your stash, you can let them know and they'll try as much as possible to even specialize your kit for you during the month. You could change, like one month you could say I need more florals, and the next month you could say, hey, I need this or that, and let them know, and they will work as hard as they can to try to include those items in your subscription kit. How amazing is that? What other company or product out there that you can get monthly that will be tailored to what you need for your specific style of art or projects you're working on? That is such an amazing element or aspect to the House of Books kit, and I think it's so wonderful that Amber allows that to happen and offers that amazing service to her subscribers. Okay, last envelope here. This one has some foreign language papers and some other specialty papers that I'm going to page through and look at. And see, as I look through these, I kind of think about what projects I'm going to use them for. Sometimes the pile of pages gets overwhelming, but as I look through them and if I think about kind of what I want to use them for, it always brings them back to memory and like, oh yeah, I had that page this month. I'm going to grab that to use on this journal page. Ooh, and did you see that? We get some ledger pages this month. I'm coming up to it here in just a minute. But sometimes we also get some handwritten ledger pages and other specialty unique items in our kits each month, and this month is no exception. There are a few ledger pages you're going to see in just a minute. And that's it. That is my November box from my House of Books. Just a reminder, this is a monthly subscription. I have the large subscription. However, there is also a small and a medium version if you don't need as many ephemera items for creating. There are several options to how to subscribe that'll save money each month. And House of Books has a lot of a la carte items on their website as well, including those stickers and other books that they sell as a whole. If you follow them on Instagram, they post sneak peeks, and sometimes you can grab some other ledgers and other items from their website. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to click on the link below to get onto the mail list for their Black Friday sale.